this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I'm going to be planting up today a hanging basket. This is one of many that will be going around my house this year. And I'm using 3 different plants. We're using the Supertunia, the Vista Paradise, also the Supertunia Vista Bubblegum, which everyone I'm sure has heard of bubblegum. And then I'm using the Euphorbia Diamond Mountain. Now this is a very tall, aggressive diamond mountain that can hang out with these petunias very well, because these two are also very aggressive plants. So what we're going to use is the Diamond Mountain is going to be kind of like the thriller in this combination. So we're going to go ahead and pop it out of this plant. If you got to give out of this pot, if you got to give your pot a little squeeze, go ahead. We're going to bury this down in right in the middle because I want it to kind of go in all directions as it grows. And then because these vistas are so aggressive, I'm only going to use 4 of them in this basket. Typically, if I was using other annuals, there'd be at least 6, but with these aggressive guys, they only need 4. So we're going to do the Vista Paradise, and I'm going to go opposite of each other in this basket. So one on this side, and one over here. And then the Vista Bubblegum, we're going to go on the other opposite sides of each other. One here, and the other over on this side. And I just want to show you, look at that nice root system on this plant. Although the tops aren't super huge yet, it's got excellent roots, and this is what the groundwork is to getting this plant to do very well, is a great root system. So we'll go ahead and plant that. And like so. And then I'm going to grab some extra soil and kind of fill in around the plants where it needs a little extra. One thing with planting hanging baskets is I always make sure that the soil is just a little bit lower than the edge of the pot, because when you go to water, if your soil is mounding over or even with the top of the pot, the water's just going to run out. So if you leave just a little gap between the top of the pot and the soil, that'll create kind of a little bit of a reservoir for the water to set in while it's soaking down into the rest of your container. The other thing I want to point out is when you plant up hanging in baskets and containers, very important that you fertilize them, and we recommend fertilizing them every 1 to 2 weeks. Honestly, once a week is best, but I know that most of you won't do that. So if you can at least hit them with some water-soluble fertilizer every other week, you're going to find that your plants are going to do so much better and just flourish way till the end of the summer. So here we have it, this beautiful container filled with the Vistas, the Bubblegum, the Paradise, and then the Diamond Mountain Euphorbia. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.